Hey guys, welcome. So how do you embed Canva code on your Wix website? It's going to be a really simple one. So you're going to need to actually go to the actual Wix first. There's ways to do this, but you can absolutely, once you've logged in to your Wix, all you have to do is find the embedded HTML, and that's basically it. Once you click on that, you can just basically drag and drop sort of features of codes. Like for example, this one, you can just basically type it in as well and put it on Canva or whatever it is that you're basically wanting to put. You could absolutely do this on other platforms as well. Like for example, if you have other platforms, once you've copied the code, you can just basically just paste it from there. So yeah, this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.